All right, let's talk home inspections. We're going to talk everything home inspections. Hey there, I am Christina Sparks, realtor with Real Broker, owner, House of Sparks. So let's get into everything inspections, okay? Once you go under contract, you have an inspection contingency period. Most of the time, in Missouri at least, the default is 10 days. Of course, you can always ask for more days. The default is 10. Within that 10-day period, you should be getting your inspection, know what you want to ask for repairs, and submit that request. So let's back up. What kind of inspection should you get? Well, that depends on the property. Inspections are generally a home inspection, from crawl space to roof is a general inspection. Now, if the property has things like a shop, a detached garage, a well, a septic, stuff like that, you want to make sure you get those inspected as well. And let's say, for example, your inspection comes back and they found maybe some mold and you want to get that tested. As long as you're still within your inspection contingency window, you can have that inspection done, and you should. Other types of inspections you can get can be for termites, for mold, for radon. Okay, so let's say you get your basic home inspection. A lot of times home inspections will come with a termite inspection, which you always want to get, especially in Missouri because we are prone to termites. So let's say you get your home inspection back and there's a couple iffy things with maybe the roof or maybe the electrical. Maybe the inspector called out the electrical a little bit here and there. If you are still within your 10-day window, within whatever window you have, you should definitely get further inspections. I just want to reiterate that a home inspector is a generic inspection. These people are not qualified electricians. They are not roofers. They are not mold experts. None of that. So if there are any concerns with your generic home inspection, I definitely recommend hiring a professional in that area to investigate further, to inspect further. And sometimes you can even get these done for free. I hope you learned something about inspections and maybe how to navigate that part of your home buying process. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Of course, I'm always happy to help any way I can, even if you're not in Missouri. Have a great day.